Today I'm unboxing a very special gift from Lordhair, and this is their new range ZyroSen, which is an antibacterial skin base. This is going to help relieve itchy, sensitive scalps from getting red and sore. Oh my god, lovely new packaging from Lordhair. Absolutely love this. Their designs are always so cute, but this has probably been my favourite so far. Hello new. It's always great to see a new system. This system it's not old, but it's definitely ready for an upgrade. So I got this system in 4 ash, which is kind of like a dark ashy brown. What is ZyroSen, you ask? ZyroSen is Lordhair's antibacterial system series. Each system undergoes an antibacterial treatment and is SGS certified. This ensures top quality and industry standards to maintain and regulate scalp conditions. ZyroSen provides customers with science-backed, long-lasting protection against cleanliness and scalp comfortability. The SuperSkin-V in the ZyroSen range is a SuperSkin-V that has undergone an antibacterial treatment. The antibacterial technology includes a silver ion treatment. This releases ions that disrupt bacteria and microorganisms. This then reduces bacterial growth on the hair system and on the scalp, which then can minimize odor, itchiness, redness, soreness. This then ensures the wearer a more comfortable, cleaner experience with minimal odor. The ZyroSen technology offers a long-lasting experience and is designed to endure washing and regular cleaning without losing its protective qualities. So I'm super excited to try this. I'm going to take off my current system, which is a Neo, and I am going to replace on the ZyroSen, have it cut, and I'll show you the before and after result. So all of the tapes have been removed. I'm going to use this Lordhair little pen, and I just tend to go in I like to make a line just below my scalp tattoo. So if I can see that dot and I just place it just above, it's going to sit where I want it to sit. So let's take the product. What I tend to do is use the back of my fingers to lift up the product. So I find where the middle is, and then I tend to use my back fingers just to lift everything up so I can kind of see where I'm going. Just above that line. Perfect. As you can see, it just sits just above that line. And now I'm going to go get this bad boy cut into some sort of style. I'll wear it for the day and I'll let you see the finished product. Hey guys, so this is the ZyroSen been cut in. This is in 4 ash and it actually feels amazing. Normally I don't like the skin because I feel too hot and too sweaty, but this actually feels great. I've had it on for a few hours now, and yeah, it feels just like a champion would feel. I mean, don't get me wrong, I haven't been out for a workout or done stuff like that, so I don't know how it's going to feel with that, but kind of just lazing around the house, getting things done. It doesn't feel too much different from a from a lace. The hairline is super natural and super soft. The hair's gorgeous, it's a gorgeous texture. This is in 4 ash. But yeah, I absolutely love the ZyroSen. It's great for the antibacterial properties for me because, like I said, I'm oily, sweaty, and irritable. I get like irritable skin. This is actually stuck down by tape, and as you can see, it's stuck. But yeah, I'm excited to find out how this is going to last. So I'm going to probably wear this for the rest of the day. And then I'll let you know at some point how I get on with it and how my skin felt. But yeah, I'm very excited that Lordhair has listened to the customers and created a solution for irritable skin that might be prone to breakout. And I can see this antibacterial technology really helping the customer have a more comfortable and a more friendly experience. This is the ZyroSen and I cannot wait to wear it for longer.